I have the June Allure Beauty Box. So if you want to see what's inside, and it's kind of heavy this month, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Ben are in the other room. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the June Allure Beauty Box, and it's kind of heavy this month. There was one choice item, but I don't remember what it was. So I'll kind of be surprised when I go in it. Now this is put together by the editors of Allure magazine. So they pick the items, they tell you why they picked the items, and you get a mixture of full size and deluxe samples. And they've been really hitting the mark of late. Like the past year, they've been really good. There's a little flyer inside. There is a little card with a store credit. And there's your sneak peek. Now they also do the GQ box for men. I did get that a few times and it was really nice. I just didn't need it as often. You know, it's quarterly, but I didn't need it as often as even quarterly. So I did cancel it, but sometimes when they have a nice box, you know, I might go back to it. All right, so this was the choice item. It is by Buxom. It is their Power Line Plumping Lip Liner. So you had a variety of colors to choose from. And Real Red, Dangerous Dolly, Smooth Spice, or High Def Honey. And I went with Dangerous Dolly. And I think I have the lip gloss that matches somewhere. So on this side, we have the liner. Oh, very smooth. Goes on very nicely. You can do a thick line, you can do a thin line. Really like that color. Then on the other side, there is this dense brush, so you can really like smooth it in. You can kind of smudge it in. It's really nice. I like that. This is an MSRP of $22. And it does say that their formula is creamy with an angled tip that maneuvers easily around the cupid's bow and corners. It comes in velvety, matte shades that make it easy to overdraw your lips without it looking fake. And they're so pretty you may not want to cover up the shades. All right, really like that. Next, by Naked Sundays, is their Collagen Glow 100% Mineral Sunscreen. This is an SPF of 50, and it has plant-based collagen and antioxidants. And it says it's a rich tinted cream that gives you an SPF 50 from mineral sunscreen, zinc oxide, and a more flattering finish than other formulas, or even moisturizers. It wears like a radiant tinted hydrator, but with sunscreen. So this is full size and it retails for $34. Let's take a look at, okay, it's all sealed. I'm going to show you the picture. I don't want to open it because I'm currently using my Kopari one, which is a tinted 50 sunscreen. So there is how it looks. So that is going to just give a light tint and just kind of rub into your skin. So it should not look too light or too dark on any skin tone. It should just kind of give a little bit of evenness to your skin. Next, another full-size item. So this is our third full-size item. This is by Truly Beauty, which I'm obsessed with. This is their Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. It has Bacachol, vitamin B3, vanilla niacinamide, and an antioxidant boost. And I just love the Truly line. I have not gotten a product I've not liked yet. Oh, look at that. Ooh, shiny. So it's going to give you a little bit of a glow, I think. Let's look and see. It says body moisturizer is a summer staple, but sometimes you might want to feel less utilitarian. That's where their body oil comes in with its warm vanilla scent and glimmering finish. This is a $30 value. All right, so there it is on my hand. Oh my God, it smells delicious. So it's not going to be like glittering diamonds, just a little bit of like a nice, healthy glow to your skin. Loving that. Next, we have by Luna Nectar is their Neptune Hydrate and Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Oh, look at how pretty that is. And it says it is an elegant summer serum. It's lightweight and refreshing. It leaves the skin feeling smoother and more hydrated with hyaluronic acid, and has antioxidants like green tea that might offer additional free radical protection when layered under sunscreen, like your new one from Naked Sundays. And this is $39 is the value on this. So again, this whole box is like $21. So I mean, you just can't beat the value in some of these boxes, and this is one of them. And then last are our 2 deluxe samples, and we have the Maria Nila Head and Hair Heal Shampoo. Okay, this is a 100 milliliter value. The full size for 350 milliliters is $36. This is a great size though. Great size. And it says it's worthy of an Allure Best of Beauty Award. It smells great and soothes dry, itchy spots with aloe while tackling flakes with pyroxene alamine. And then we have the conditioner to go with it. And same line, this says sweet relief for dry scalp, no matter the cause, time spent at the beach, product overload. This conditioner moisturizes the scalp and heals, helps treat flakiness and smooths strands. You're going to let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse. And again, it's $36 for the 300 milliliters, and the other one was $36 for 350 milliliters. And this is a 100 milliliter size. Let's see if it's, open it all so we can sniff it. Ooh, that's very nice. Fruity scented. All right, so I think that was a pretty great box. I mean, we got 4 full-size items and 2 deluxe samples, but I mean the size of these. Perfect. That's what I'm liking. All right, so what was your favorite item? Mine is the Truly Beauty one. I can't lie. I just know that I don't even have to think about it. I love the smell. I love the shine. It feels so nice. My skin feels so good where it was. All right, well, that's my Allure Beauty Box for the month of June. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.